So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT directly instead of Siri on your iPhone, the ChatGPT voice assistant feature. Now in order to do it, there are multiple ways. Either you can attach it to the action button if you have, or you can use the back tap feature. For now I'll show you the action button feature right there. You can easily go same for the back tap as well. You can find it multiple videos that will show you how to add any shortcut to the back tap. Now simply open the settings here. The settings will look something like this to you. Here you need to go to this option of action button. Here scroll down until you see this option of right there shortcut. Hit choose a shortcut and here go to ChatGPT and you'll see this option of there we go, start voice conversation. Simply select this one. Now once you do that and again press and hold the action button, you'll notice that the voice conversation will start. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.